Hi, how's it going everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you a trick on CorelDraw on how to disappear tools and all that has to do with CorelDraw, then reappearing it back. Let me show you how that goes. So right now you can see the tools right here, then the menu bars and all of that. I'll show you how to disappear all of these, then reappearing all the tools and what has to do with CorelDraw altogether. So without further ado, let's step into it. So right now what you're going to be doing is to right click right here, submenu pops up, then let's uncheck. As you're unchecking, just take a little closer look at your workspace, how it changes, how everything that you uncheck disappears, and so let's step on it. Let's uncheck this menu bar. You can see that anymore. That's the menu bar. Go ahead, taskbar, which is down here. Let me check it back. Let's see. So this is the taskbar right here. Let's just check it. So can you see that? Right click again, go back to the standard bar. There you are. Can you see that? Go back again, check on property. Automatically, can you see that it disappears? Right click again, so right click on this space right here, then you uncheck this as well. Can you see everything is gone? So likewise the ruler, let's uncheck that. So actually if you want to disappear everything, can you see that? So right now, so let's go again. So right now we have nothing right here except the color toolbar. So as this right here, you can see we don't have any of this. So right now what we needed to do now, if you want to bring them back, this is the process. So right click, can you see you find it difficult to right click on any space to bring them back, can you see that? So you find it difficult, you can't even bring it back at this stage. So right now what you are going to do is to close all of these CorelDraw hub. Let's close it right here. So asking you, do you want to say no? So right now to bring back all of this, all you need to do is to go ahead to CorelDraw right here, you double click. So mind you, instantly if you double click the CorelDraw, instantly you're gonna hit on F8. As it launching, automatically CorelDraw will indicate, a dialog bubble pops up asking you some question. Let's wait. Keep hitting that. Keep hitting your F8. Using your F8. Keep hitting your F8. Keep hitting your F8. Actually my system is slow, so we just have to wait for that to initiate. Wait for that to initiate. So it's on F8 continuously. It's on F8 continuously. So we have so many CorelDraw launched, so we have to go back again to so right now you can see the first launch that we made. That was as pop-up asking us questions. Can I see the questions right here? Are you sure you want to override the current workspace or with the factory default? See, this is what that does to you. Actually, you should launch your CorelDraw and instantly you hit on F8 continuously on your keyboard. Actually you are about setting up your CorelDraw into default mode, into default factory mode, factory setting rather. So right now this is a question they're asking you: are you sure you want to override the current workspace with the factory default? So in this case you're going to say yes, hit on yes. So at the end of it all, you're gonna have your settings, all your settings back. So let's wait to have the proper load up of the CorelDraw, so you see everything. You can see right now we have everything intact. The toolbar, the toolbars, the task whatever, the task bar and what have you. We have it all up completed in the workspace. This is how you can disappear your toolbar and what it has to do with your CorelDraw and bring them all back instantly with the hit of F8 on your keyboard instantly. So here we'll continue the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. As I always say in my channel, see you in the next video. Bye for now.